Plato, an ancient Greek philosopher, what does he believe? He believed that human nature was divided into three parts: reason, spirit, and desire. He emphasized the importance of cultivating reason to lead a virtuous life. Aristotle, a student of Plato, he focused on the concept of eudaimonia, often translated as happiness or flourishing. He believed that human nature is fulfilled when individuals strive for excellence in their unique capacity.